I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Exact Dental and confirming your clinic profile. This ensures correct permissions. Once logged in, open the new patient form and enter full demographics, insurance info, and consent status so billing matches later. Make sure to attach any referral notes and select the correct tooth chart baseline. Then schedule the first appointment immediately, assigning provider, operatory, and the proper CDT code to lock in time and resources for the case. You now perform detailed charting. Use the chart tool to mark restorations, caries, perio pockets, and mobility so the record is accurate for clinical decisions. Once done, build a phased treatment plan, adding estimated costs and priority levels to guide scheduling and patient consent. Make sure to attach radiographs and clinical photos to the same visit and link them to specific teeth. This keeps imaging tied to treatment items and speeds insurance claims and surgical planning. You complete the visit by finalizing clinical notes and generating the claim, verify patient benefits, pre-authorization codes, and provider ID to prevent denials. Then reconcile payments, post any copay or adjustments, and have the patient e-sign estimates and post-op instructions so records are complete. If data doesn't sync or images won't upload, clear the app cache, re-authenticate your session, and retry. If that fails, capture the error code and contact support for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.